few moments later.
Alright, take one. Action!
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Cut! This is not what I imagined Elsa to do. Can't you get it? I wanted to be more confident. Right? Think. What do you think she will do if she's more confident?
Okay.
A few moments later.
Take two. Action!
Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Cut! That was fantastic! Wow, that was amazing acting. That was what I wanted exactly. How did you have to take so long to get it? It was just right there in front of you, right?
But she's supposed to be angry.
No, she's supposed to be confident and charismatic and big and huge and large and overpowering. That's what I wanted from you.
But she's frustrated, she's angry. Why can't she be angry?
No, anger is not in this at all. Anger is supposed to be something that happens when she's not playing this character. It's supposed to be completely about her confidence and her amazing aura of who she's supposed to be.
One eternity later.
Hi, I'm Miss Peck.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gan and we are literature teachers here at Woodland Secondary School. So, what do you think of that interpretation?
And how will you know your interpretation is correct?
And how will you convince people of your opinion to others?
So that's what we do in literature. We look at we look at the text and try to find out what exactly is the correct interpretation. So in this case, you have to look at what happened before the scene in order to know how Elsa is feeling, right? So what happens? You try to recall what happened in the movie before that.
Yep, and remember that whenever you're looking at a text, a play, a movie, or when you're reading a book, always try to see the tiny details that are surrounding this character that could give you a bit of an introduction about what do you think they should be like in terms of their character. Thank you.
All right, have fun learning.
Have fun. The amazing queen of you convince people of your own opinion to others. Can you come out right? Oh no!
Looks like you're, okay. Yeah.
Really? I was seriously like, what is the last thing I had to say? Okay.
I'm sorry.